In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your low quality video into a clear, high quality, crispy one with this simple tool. And without wasting time, let's turn this low quality clip into this. The first thing to do is to go to the Remaker AI platform, link in the description of this video. So first and foremost, we need to sign up. We're going to come here and click on login. Then you come and say continue with Google. And here you click on your Google account. Once you're signed in, this interface is going to open up to you with the list of everything you can do with AI. So you're going to come up here and search for AI video enhancer. Yeah, you can see that here. Once you click on that, this interface is going to open up to you, and this is the AI video enhancer for Remaker AI. And now you can see it's the best video quality enhancer to convert low quality videos to 4K resolution. Now all I need to do is to come to this box, and here I'm going to upload the video I'm about to enhance. So I'm going to come here and select this video right here, and before I open this up, this is what this video looks like originally. And right here I'm just going to say enhance video quality. Okay, so our video is done enhancing, so I'm going to play this right here. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to download this video right here, and there I have it downloaded. Right now you have a clear and sharp video quality from a low quality video. Share this video, like this video, comment and subscribe. See you in the next one.